let's practice reading half notes. Don't forget when you're clapping your half notes to do your clap slide so that you remember that half notes get 2 beats. We will read and clap each pattern 4 times. And ready 4 times. Do, 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 do. That was 4 times. All right, look at this one. We're going to do it 4 times. Got that beat in your body? And ready, begin. Do, 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 do. Alrighty, here's the next one, 4 times in a row. And a 1, and a 2, and a ready, begin. Do, 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 do. Ooh, this has got a half note in the middle of the pattern. And a 1, and a 2, and a you know what to do. Do, 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 do. And a 1, and a 2, and a ready, begin. Do, 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 do. Hip, hip.